Thank you, thank you. So we are discussing about the Suration check, okay? So far we completed the storage type level. Now we are starting the Suration check at the storage type at the warehouse level. Now whenever you do the put away strategies along with storage type, okay, system need to find the storage section also. In which case we'll find section means whenever you are dividing multiple models, you are storing multiple models in one storage type and dedicatedly you would like to keep in the respective area only. Suppose if you go to more, you already have some vegetables and fruits. Vegetables in one separate area and fruits in one separate area. And from vendor you receive more vegetables. Now the operator should keep in the vegetables area or else you need to keep in fruits area in this case. You need to keep in vegetables area only, right? So end of the day, this is only one storage type, right? For vegetables, or else I can take one more example. In vegetables, you received you have a lot of bins. Okay, in this case, I can say like this one is vegetables and this is like fruits. So in the vegetables area, in this you are storing some kind of tomatoes or other things. Okay, you are storing here some michi, tomatoes, and other things. Suppose you receive some kind of tomatoes here. So tomatoes should have one section, right? Normally, section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5, section so in the more case, in one storage type I have like 10 sections. In more case, example I'm taking more supermarket case, I have like 10 sections in one storage type. In the one storage type which belongs to vegetables, okay, that is storage type level. In this, let's go to sections. I have 10 different sections. So why 10 different sections? Each vegetable into one section here. Tomato into one section, michi into one section, okay, aloo into one section. So I am dividing into sections. And now you received some stock for tomatoes. Now tomatoes should go to the respective section only, right? You can keep in the existing tomatoes only, right? In that section only you need to keep the stock for tomatoes, right? You cannot keep somewhere. Agree?
Yes.
Okay, the same way in the respective storage type of plant or warehouse, okay, in this case I am dividing with sections here. So when I receive the product, the stock need to be placed in the respective section only, not somewhere. You cannot keep in different section. You need to have place in the dedicated section what I am choosing here. You cannot keep wherever you want. So that is the reason we are going with the storage section level. Along with storage type, system will find the storage section level also. For this one, I need to create some sections first of all. I need to create some sections. Let's go to HR01. Let's go to SPRO implementation guide. Go to warehouse management. Go to master data and go to storage types. What are the storage types I have guys here? HR01 and HR02. I'm using both. My BNWH warehouse, I'm going into HR01 and HR02. I'm going to HR01 and HR02. So for HR01, what I will do? So there is something called storage section check. There is something called storage section check. You will be seeing here. Can you see? Storage section check. I need to activate this check. I need to activate this check. You can see here. No check, check. I'm going to check this one, right? Storage section determination and check. For this one, whenever you keep the stock in HR01, okay, system need to find storage section also. Okay, clear? Clear. Activated. So what are the stock you keep in HR01? System need to find storage section also. If there is no storage section was maintained, strategies, everything, system should not keep the stock in HR01. When system determined fully such sequence along with storage type, system need to find which storage section also to keep. Then only system need to create the warehouse task to the HR01. If not, system should not create any warehouse task. I'll show you how to determine. Save it, guys. My check was active. Okay, the check was active. Once check is active, now let's create some storage sections also. HR02 also, if you want, then create some sections, guys. If you want, I'm activating the storage section check here. Save it. Now, let's create some storage types, sections. Okay, let's create some storage sections. Go to master data, define storage sections. Before below you can see define storage types and define storage sections. So I'm creating some sections here. So BMWH warehouse, BMWH warehouse. I have like HR01. I have HR01. I already have two sections, okay. 3001 and 3002 I have, okay, and 3003. Same thing I will do for HR02 also. For my second warehouse, second storage type, HR02 also. I'll create like storage type. Okay, clear? So I have my sections ready. Now what I should do once I have my sections? I need to go to strategies again. The same way how we did for goods receipt process, I need to go to goods receipt process and strategies I need to go. I need to go to the strategies part. In strategies, I need to go to storage section search. I need to go to storage section search. First of all, I need to create some indicators. Create storage section indicators. Same way how you created the put away control indicator, everything, I need to create the storage section indicator now. In my BNWH warehouse, in my BN, nothing is there. What I will do, in my BNWH warehouse, I'm creating section indicator as 3001, same like storage sections. Okay. So section 3001, section 3001, same way 3002, BNWH, section 3002, same way BNWH, section indicator is 3003, section 3003. So once I have section indicators, I need to go to maintain storage section search sequence. I need to assign my storage section to the section indicators. Go to BNWH warehouse. Here, go to new entries. In my BNWH warehouse, storage type HR01. Storage type HR01 belongs to, in storage type HR01, section indicator is 3001. Section indicator is 3001 is searching what? Which section? In this HR01 storage type, if section indicator is 3001, system need to find which is storage sections? 3001. So if you have multiple sections, you can give multiple sections also. There is no problem. Suppose like this, same way, like HR01, if the section indicator is 3002, then system need to find which section in HR01.
Vegetable.
3002. Same way, if section indicator is 3003, system need to find which section now in HR01. 3003. So I can copy paste for HR02 also, same thing, just to be simple. I'll keep like HR02 here. Only change HR02, HR02, HR02. Okay. Section indicators I'm using both same. Okay. This is for HR storage type HR02. Clear? Now, storage section check. I activated, but if you want to check, you can check. Okay. In BNWH warehouse, HR01, HR02. Very important. HR01. Can you see? X. Storage section determination and check. Storage section determination and check. Good. Clear? Means in these storage types, in these storage especially, storage section check is activated. Storage section check is activated. Without storage section, you cannot maintain anything here. Now what I should do, guys? Now in the port master, what I need to keep now? Do I need to modify the port master or not now? Do I need to modify the port master or not? Go to SCWM/mat1. SCWM/mat1 port master. Here my first product 004. For this one, if I want to change, I'll go to warehouse data and I'll go to put away strategies here, put away part. Can you see this part? Whenever I am receiving this product from the vendor, in this case, system is following which put away strategies, guys, here? Which put away control indicator? BMWT. So
BMW.
BMWT is having which storage type?
HR01.
HR01. Now HR01, which storage section it need to go in this case? This part. This part should go to which storage section here?
001.
These data will be given by plant. Now this should go. Now we have three sections here in BNW HR01. Section 1, Section 2, and Section 3, right? Now this part should go to which section? Can you test with Section 1 now? Can we move to Section 1? You're getting my point now in this case?
Yes.
Okay. I am moving this part to HR01 with the help of BNWT put away control indicator. Now in the HR01, now the plant supervisor will give me, okay, this part I am storing in only 0001. So should be always 0001 only here. Like that he will give. Okay. So our system is finding two things, put away control indicator and the storage section indicator. Both system is checking. Save it, guys. Now go to second product. Now this product, go to warehouse data. Here it is going to BNWQ, the Q model, right? Now storage section indicator. So can I keep like some 0003, whatever you need? Anything is fine for me. I need to keep some 0002. Means this product should always go to BNWQ. BNWQ is having which storage type, guys? BNWQ is having which storage type?
HR02.
HR02. In HR02 system, this product should go to which section? Now, as per my settings,
002.
0002 you should go. This section it should go. I'm saved this one now. Now, if I create inbound delivery, if I go, I'll check the bins now. First of all, do I have some bins in these sections or not? Do I have some bins in this section or not? Go to SCWM/LS11. I'm checking the sections. Do you have sections or not? I have sections in HR01. What I will do, I'll remove all the sections. Okay, I'll remove all the sections. Okay, I removed all the sections. So there are no sections for HR01 and HR02. Okay, so now there are no sections. Okay, everything is blank. Section is blank. Every in HR01, HR02, there is no sections for the bins. Now what will happen, guys? If I create warehouse task, what will happen? What will happen if I create warehouse task? Hmm? What will happen if I create warehouse task? Assume what will happen. Think. What you are expecting? What you are expecting? Hmm?
Will go into any bin of that.
It should go
Pickup.
to the bin HR01 section, any kind of any bin when we create the inbound delivery, when we got inbound delivery.
But you maintain Suration Check active, right? Means in that storage type, whenever you keep some part there, Suration Check is mandatory. You cannot keep product wherever you want. That is the meaning, right? Suration Check active means.
Yeah, that means it's not the meaning of it should go to that particular session.
Mm-hmm.
It's not the meaning of that one.
I didn't get you. Repeat again. I
No,
maintain
if
Suration
suppose
Check active, okay. I maintain Suration
mm,
Check active in that storage type. Now, HR01 is having Suration Check. Now, when you
mm,
create warehouse task, put a warehouse task, system will create or not for HR01. Now, HR01, I'm asking you a different way. I'm taking HR01 storage type example. In HR01 storage type, this is the bin master data. You can see all bins in HR01. I'll go to HR01 now in BNWH warehouse. I'm displaying all bins in HR01. I'm displaying you all bins in HR01. Can you see? All
mm.
bins in HR01. So these bins is under which storage type?
High-rex.
Huh?
Storage type.
Yes,
High-rex.
storage type.
01.
HR01. So can you tell
Mm.
me this bin is under which storage section in HR01?
There is no section here.
There is no section. So in this case, in HR01 storage type, did you maintain Suration Check active or not?
Yes.
Now what system will behave now? What is system behavior now? If you don't have storage section here, how system will behave here? System can identify the bins?
No.
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 In this case, what is the expectation?
It will not
We
put
should-
away.
Sorry?
Will it not put away? Put away will
It will
not.
throw you error.
Error, yeah.
The expectation is it will throw you error now. Okay.
Should
Now
have
I'm
step.
creating on PO, purchase, PO, the inbound delivery I'm creating. Go to VL31N. System is very strict, okay, in this case. You cannot expect to create, okay. I'm getting 10 quantity here.
So Ram, if we have multiple materials, suppose we have 50,000 or 1 lakh materials, so we need to have that put away control and the storage section control indicator in the product master.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
But who will do that?
It will be done by us through MOS.
Okay.
Okay, the data will be coming from the supervisor from the plant, and we will do MOS updates.
Okay.
Okay. We can do it, or else if you have some business analyst in your project, they can do it normally. So it depends on the roles that you divide normally, what actions you do and what actions they will do.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
But this will be confirmed by supervisor. Okay. They'll check everything. Which board should go to where, all those things they will decide normally. So based on their discussion, you need to configure everything. Your main part is configuration, and you need to explain them. You should know everything. Okay. You're expected to know everything. So whenever they stuck with that part, you need to guide them.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. 1170 was created. Now this delivery F1. Now if I'm creating warehouse task, for this delivery, if I click on this one, if I click on create, I'm expecting it will throw me error. What error? Can you see? It throw me error, and you can see here destination data. You can see it here. Here, system has found. Observe carefully, guys. System has found your search sequence BNWT. So system has taken the put away control indicator. Through put away control indicator and the stock type, system has found BNWT search sequence. Now through BNWT search sequence, system has found HR01 storage type. Can you see? HR01 was found. Now, system is going to bin search. Starting of destination bin search. In HR01, system is finding all the bins. Now, can you see? No suitable empty bins found in storage type HR01. No suitable empty bins. No suitable empty bins for HR storage type HR01. Section 0001. Section, can you see? Section 0001 was not found. So, do you have, we don't have any empty bins or not? All these are empty only, right? All these are empty
Yes.
bins only, right? But system is
Yes.
not able to find any bins here. Why?
So
Because
now
there are
we
no
don't have
bins
this.
in sections. Can you see? So what I will do, I will take these bins actually. Maybe I can take this 10 bins and I will edit and I will keep storage section as 0001 here. Okay. I'm keeping for these bins, I'm keeping section as 0001. Okay. Is this fine? Is it fine? For these 10 bins, I'm modifying the storage section. Okay. I mean, I'm telling the system that these 10 bins belongs to 0001 like that. I'm telling the system. Now go back. Again, try to create warehouse task. Sorry. Again, try to create a warehouse task. For this part, now click on create, guys. Can you see? Now it has triggered. Can you see it? Where it was gone? HR01 section 0001. Can you see? Section 0001 it was gone. Now, if you see here, system has found same thing BNWT. System has found HR01 and put a behavior. Now system has found this bin actually. And just check, okay. Storage bin was found in HR01. Got it? Normally, it will check the storage section. It will throw you one log also that storage section check was activated. Something it will show here, but normally it is not showing. Okay, so there is some issues with dummy system. It will show you all logs. Storage section check was active. System is checking the storage section 0001. Like that, it will show you. Okay. Now can you see? Now I am able to create. Now second one. I am expecting to create warehouse task for second one. It will create or it will throw error. It will create or it will throw error. Guys. Now, first of all, it will go to which storage type? Tell me, guys. First of all, it will go to which storage type? The second part, 106, BNWQ model,
HR02.
HR02, not quality. Not quality. Why?
No, it will also throw error.
It will also throw error, but normally, if it is not throwing error, it will go to which storage type?
02 the 001 section. It should go generally.
001. Are you sure 001?
No, 002.
002. Okay, HR02, 002 in this case. Now, if you click on create, it will throw error for you. Now, if you see here, it will find your search sequence as what here? BNWQ search sequence. BNW2, can you see storage type HR02 it was found, but no suitable empty bins was found in storage section 0002. Can you see? Section is 0002 here. Now, what I will do, I'll go back. I'll keep HR02 storage type here. Now, here what I will do, I'll maintain some sections and I'll, for this bins, what I will do, I will maintain the section that this belongs to section 0002. I'll keep like this. Okay. Now if I create warehouse task, go back. If I create warehouse task, now it will create me a warehouse task. Can you see? It has created for HR02 002 and this bin was found. Is it clear, guys? Now? How storage session check we can activate and how we can make it possible. Each and every port we can maintain the storage section check. Okay, this is very important because in the real time also we will divide the storage section. Okay, only means in this case I have one storage type. I'll keep like section 1. This is section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5, section 6, section 7, section 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'll keep like 13 to 14 sections, and I'll keep respective products in the section only. I'll not mix the products in different way. You got the point? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is called Suration Check. Okay. This is called as Suration Check. Now let's go to the bin. I think we have only 8 minutes. Sorry. Now we have left with the bin level. Okay. Storage bin level we have left. What is storage bin level? It's very easy. Storage bin level is very easy. Now can you tell me, in the storage bin level, in this bin will you store pallets or boxes? In this bin you store pallets or boxes. In a warehouse, what kind of stock you will see, guys, normally? Pallets or boxes?
Both.
Alex.
Both. In a warehouse.
Okay.
But let's go on to storage type level. Let's come to storage type level. Let's come to storage type level. So tell me this part. Maybe I can take. I can see here what I can store normally in PA10. What kind of ports I can store here? What kind of ports I will store in PA10? Pallets or boxes? Small boxes or big pallets?
Boxes.
Boxes. Small box. I can say small boxes for nuts and bolts. I can say. What about here? Will you store pallets or boxes here?
Both.
Both. I store only pallets. Can you see? Only pallets are there here. High racks generally we store only pallets only. We don't store boxes because boxes is less in size. And forklift cannot lift boxes here because box is very less in size and it will drop from the middle actually. Boxes. Only pallet can fit in the forklift. So normally high racks is suitable for pallets normally. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Now you
Yes.
can tell this part. You store pallets or boxes here.
Boxes.
Box.
I can
Boxes.
say like both here itself. Here I cannot say both, but here I can say both. Because here you can see forklift also can come and also manual person also can come. So manual person, can you see? Can you see here what is happening here? Have you seen this pallet? From this pallet, he's picking boxes. Can you see? He's picking one by one boxes and he's keeping boxes here. He's keeping the boxes separately here. On the top, can you see? Top, I can find pallets, food pallets. I can find. Down, you can see some boxes actually. Means up to where operator can go, is keeping boxes, and up to more forklift can go, it is speaking. It is putting pallets here. So this storage type is for boxes and pallets. This storage type is for pallets. Okay. So in this storage type, who is accessible in this case? Who can access to this storage type? Who can access to this storage type?
Forklifts.
Forklift. Who can access to this storage type?
A person.
Both. Forklift as in person.
Second.
Okay. Now tell me, all these bins can bear weight of only one weight, or else each and every bin will have different kind of maximum weight it can bear. Now tell me, each bin will have separate capacity, or else entire storage type level we have only one capacity.
Different.
Different, right? Different. Same thing, right? If you open your fridge, okay, all the racks will have same capacity, or different racks will have different capacity. It will be different capacity, right? Now, if you see here, these are like racks, okay? Normal iron rods and racks you can see here. Now, what will happen here? It is just fixed here. It is open space and it just has fixed the stock, fixed the racks here. And I am keeping the stock in the storage type. Now, when I receive the stock, I am keeping the stock in these racks. If you see clearly, the down level will have more capacity. The lower level will have more capacity. When you go up and all, the upper part will have less capacity. The upper part will have less capacity. Means if the Lower level can bear weight of 1000 kgs. In the top level, it can bear only 500 kgs. Okay. When you go up, the level of capacity will decrease normally. So this is what I observed, but it depends on the storage type to storage type. Normally, the low level will have more capacity, which is in the ground, will have more capacity, and the upper level will have bit less capacity. Now, in this case, suppose as per my put-away strategy, system has found this storage type, this section it was found. Okay, example, top section it was found, or else this section. Okay, I can say this section it was found, section 1, section 2, section 3, and section 4, and section 5. Okay, system has found section 1. Now the product what I am receiving, it is having the bare weight of 500 kgs. Now the below bin, the low level bin, it can bear 1000 kgs, and this one can bear up to 600 kgs it can bear. Okay, the below one is 1000 kgs, and above one is somewhere, I can say, like, what are the port I'm receiving, it can bear maximum weight of around 500 kgs. Now just calculate. Okay, here, so top level it can bear only 100 kgs, this it can bear only 200 kgs, this is it can bear 300 kgs, 400 kgs, 500 kgs, 600 kgs, and 700 kgs. Now in this case, when I receive the pallet, system will find this section, this storage type, and this section. Now system will find which bin based on the capacity, based on the weight of the product. System will find which bin now. I'm repeating again, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, and 700 kg. Suppose I'm receiving a pod with 500 kgs. Now system will find which bins. I'm receiving
Maybe in
100
the mid
kgs.
level of the rack.
Sorry?
The mid level
500
of the
kgs.
rack.
I can say, like, from this level, okay, this bin or this bin or this bin it will find. Means if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, system will find only stock in 1, 2, and 3 only. Means if these bins are empty, system will try to keep the stock in these 3 bins only. System will not propose these bins. Even though section is matching, even though storage section is matching, system is finding the capacity now. So now we are going ahead with storage type level, storage section level. Now it is bin level. System need to find the exact bin now. Which bin we need to keep based on the weight of the product. Based on the weight of the product, system need to keep in which bin now. Is it clear, guys?
So Ram, one question here. Only it's a weight or any dimensions of
Yes,
the
yes, we
product?
can have dimensions also. If the pallet which you are receiving, it is having 6 by 6 actually. 6 by 6 or 8 by 8, but the bins which you are keeping here, it is having I can say, like, different bin structure we have. Okay, this is 4 by 4, or else 4 by 5, or else 4 by 6, or 5 by 1, something if you have like this. Okay, then in this case system will find the bins based on the bin structure, but normally very rare cases I will see that bin structure is different. Okay, but still you can go ahead with the bin structure, that one. Clear? Any confusion? Clear?
Yes.
Sorry,
Yeah.
I didn't get you.
Clear.
Voice is not clear. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Clear. Okay. Now, mm, I want to test this part, but it will take around 10 to 15 minutes of time. Okay. Is it fine for you? 10 to 15 minutes? Is it fine, or else you want to discuss later part?
Yeah, next class we can do it, Ram.
Yeah, that's fine. No problem. Feel free to tell everything. Okay. Like whenever you're not convenient to listen something. Okay. After the classing, after the class hours, let me know. Okay, no problem. So we discussed about the bins part, storage type level, and section level, and now we need 1 more hour actually to discuss this bin level, and also to discuss few of the controls of the storage type level. Okay, how to keep how many HUs in one bin. Okay, how many handling units in one bin, and each time to keep in different bins. How to control these things, we'll see. Okay, next class. Mixed, non-mixed. So entirely storage type level, storage bin level I can see. Okay, storage bin level, how to control this part. what kind of pods we can keep, HUs or non-HUs, mixed pods we can keep or not, only one pod only we can keep, different handling units. So all these things we will see, okay? Next part. We will focus on more on this storage type and storage section, storage bin, okay? You'll understand in the next class that part. Okay?